Hey, what's up, guys? Your boy Jose Cabrera coming to you again with another YouTube tutorial video. Now, on this video, we'll be talking about the Newbies on Fire system. Okay, on this video, what I'll be showing you guys is how to actually use the email broadcasting tool in your Newbies on Fire system. Okay, guys. So first, we're going to come over here. We're going to go to our tool section. Okay, once we're in our tool section, we're going to come to the right. At the top right hand corner, you're going to come to broadcast. You're going to click launch. Okay, once you're in the broadcast tool, you'll see pretty much the section for your subject, the section for your message, and you'll see all the tools that you have to edit your messages. Okay, at the bottom, guys, you'll see recipients. Okay, you obviously you want to send your emails to your whole contacts, not just your downline. But if you want to do just your downline, you can do so, or I would really recommend your my contacts. Okay, so leave it as that. Um, the next one is where you choose the date, the time you want the email to be sent out. So today, for example, is the 18th. If I would want all if I would want this email that I'm making to be sent out by, let's say today at 9 p.m., which is an hour from now, I would leave it as is, and I would come over here and I would click 9 p.m. and then 0 minutes, and there it is. It's set up for today at 9 p.m. Okay, and then filter by date is the next section. I will leave it off because this is pretty much gonna, like I said, it's only gonna send messages to contacts added with the specified date range. So if you want to do that, you can do that, and then it's gonna tell you if you don't want to send messages or if you only want to send them to the people in the dates that you put below. Okay. So I will leave it off. I never really put that on. And then the last section would be the contact groups. If you want to do the active people, the converted, the ones in your Facebook group, or the mobile. I always like to do check all. So I would really say to, just click on check all so you can send them to all the people. I mean, it's never going to hurt. So why not? And then, guys, obviously down here it says view spam score. If you want to view the spam score, to see if your message is going to go to spam or not. You can actually do that and just click here and follow the instructions on what it tells you to do. Okay, and then if you want to preview your message, you just click here and it takes you to a new window where you'll be able to see pretty much exactly how it looked, with the subject and the message. Okay, and you'll be able to see that in the preview. And then when you're ready, just when you have everything set up, just click send mail, and it's going to be set. It's going to give you a message saying, okay, the email broadcast is set up and scheduled, and then it should send out. And then down here, guys, you have some codes for your emails. If you don't know what codes are, they're pretty much, tags, okay, for people's first name, last name, email, or phone. So, for example, I'm gonna give you an example. If I'm saying, um, let me see. So if I'm saying, hey there, and then the person's name is Bob, okay, and you want their first name to pop up as soon as the message hits them and they read it, you just have to put this tag right here. So you would put the that little squiggly line, name, and another line. Okay, so I'll show you. So it'll be a line, name, and line again. So that's gonna personalize your emails, guys, and it's gonna make your email look way better and more professional. So it was gonna say, let's say their name is Bob. It's gonna say, "Hey there, Bob," as soon as they open it, and that way they feel more comfortable and more unique, guys, with the email. Okay. And then after that, guys, that's pretty much it. You just play around with the guys. Use the tools here that you see, and um, for all the people on my team and people that join me on my team, I will be putting a link below where you can actually get some free email swipes. Okay, guys, you can go ahead and sign up, get some free email swipes on there. and go ahead and use them so you can copy and paste them on here, giving you an idea on how to make some emails. And then hopefully in the future you'll make your own. Okay, guys. So I'll make sure I leave that link so you can check it out and use some of those email swipes. Okay, I'll also be leaving the link for my system, my team system. If you want to join the team for Newbies on Fire, I will also be leaving the link for that. You can check it out, check the presentations out, and if you're ready, then just choose where you want to come in at, and go ahead and proceed with the instructions. Okay. But for this video, guys, that's going to be it. Like I said, I'll be leaving the links below. If you're interested in joining my team on Newbies on Fire, then simply click the link below and watch the information, and let's get to work. Okay. With that said, guys, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell for all the notifications that I will be dropping on these tutorial videos. Okay, guys. With that said, guys, have a great rest of your day. Okay. Have a great Thursday tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday over here. But with that said, have a great one, guys, and I will see you on the next one.